Happy Friday, everybody. I wanted to include you in my Friday fun. I'm trying to work through some allergy stuff, rehearsing. And so I thought I would play a little Name That Tune with you guys. I'm going to do 2 songs a cappella. First one's going to be pop. Second one's going to be rock, because I'm a rocker chick at heart, if you know me. It's my thing. It's my jam. So no cheating, no ChatGPT, no Google. That's the rules. Play by the rules, okay? I may have a little too much reverb, but you'll get it anyway. I could have turned it down, but let's go. Let's go. We're here. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should have held on tight. I never should have let you go. I didn't know nothing. I was stupid. I was foolish. I was lying to myself. I couldn't fathom that I'd ever be without your love. That's the pop. All right. For all you rocker people out there, this is for you. Been a long time since I rock and roll. Been a long time since I did the stroll. Ooh, yeah. Let me get back, let me get back, let me get back. Baby, where I come from. Ooh, yeah.